What's up people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different, but in the best way possible. I'm so excited to share something special with you, all because we just hit our first major milestone together. That's right, just about a week ago on the 10th of October 2024, we reached 5,000 subscribers. I can't even express how grateful I am to each and every one of you. This channel has grown so much thanks to all of you who watch, like, comment and subscribe. I started this journey with a passion for talking about watches, and to see it resonate with so many of you is truly amazing. So, first and foremost, thank you. Your support means the world to me, and I wouldn't have hit this milestone without you. But listen, this is only the beginning. The next goal, 15,000 subscribers. And to make things even more exciting, I'm planning another giveaway once we hit the next milestone. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. Help us grow even more, and trust me, I've got some amazing things in store for when we hit 15k. If you're not already part of the community, hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so that you won't miss any updates on the next giveaway. Now, you know I couldn't just let this milestone pass without giving something back to you, right? I want to celebrate with all of you for helping me reach 5,000 subscribers. So, I'm doing a special giveaway to show my appreciation. Stick around till the end of this video because I'll be revealing the awesome prizes I have lined up for 3 lucky winners. But first, let's talk about how you can enter this giveaway and win. Entering this giveaway is super easy. There is no payment required, and here's what you need to do. 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're already subscribed, you're already one step ahead. 2. Like this video. Smash that thumbs up button to show some love. 3. Leave a comment down below. You can share what is your favorite watch and why. Just make sure you comment because that's how I'll be selecting the winners. Easy, right? Just subscribe, like and comment and you're in. And yes, as always, there is no payment necessary to enter this giveaway. It's totally free. Just my way of saying thank you. Now, there are a few important rules you need to know. First off, participants must be 18 years or older. The giveaway will be open for 1 month, closing at midnight on the date you see here. So, you have until then to enter. The prizes cannot be exchanged for cash or anything else. These are exclusive and trust me, you want to keep them. Winners will be randomly selected from the people who commented on this video, so don't forget to leave your comments. I'll be announcing the 3 lucky winners in a special video right here on YouTube. And I'll also share the announcement on my Instagram page, so make sure you're following me there as well to stay updated. Remember, you've got a month to enter. The giveaway will close on the date you see here, and I'll announce the winners shortly after, so make sure you stick around for that announcement. Alright, so I know you've been waiting patiently to find out what the prizes are for this giveaway. Well, the moment you've been waiting for is finally here. Let me introduce you to the 3 exclusive prizes for this giveaway. Now feast your eyes on these beauties, for I'm giving away 3 limited edition brightening Watchat signature mugs to 3 lucky winners. Perfect for any watch enthusiast or anyone who appreciates merchandise. You can use them for your morning coffee, tea, or just have it as a stylish collectible on your shelf. They aren't just any mugs. Each one has a different design and will be randomly assigned to a winner. So you won't know which design you'll get, but trust me, they are equally amazing. So remember, there will be 3 winners and each one of you will get one of these awesome mugs. But no, you won't get to choose which one you receive. It's going to be a surprise and we all love surprises, right? Alright, let's recap one last time. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is 1. Subscribe to my channel, 2. Like this video, 3. Comment down below. That's it, super easy. You've got until this date to enter, and I'll be announcing the winners after that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more updates. Again, I just want to thank you all for helping me hit 5,000 subscribers. It's been an incredible journey and I'm so excited to keep growing with you. Let's keep the momentum going and aim for 15,000 subscribers next. With your help, we'll get there in no time, and when we do, there will be another giveaway waiting for you. Thank you so much for watching and good luck to everyone entering the giveaway. I'll see you in the next video. Let's hit that 15k together.